Hello everyone, in this video I wanted to talk to you about how Morph and Enhanced Morph transition work in the PowerPoint presentation slide. So the Morph and Enhanced Morph transition is actually new to the PowerPoint since I think it will come out in like 2019 or 2020, so it is pretty new for us. So maybe most of us don't know how it functions yet. So this is one of the most important video of the entire video series, and also I will guarantee you will understand how more fashion works at the end of the video. So let's get started. So the PowerPoint description of the morph is that move things on the previous slide to their new locations on the current slide, and to get the better results, you should duplicate a slide, move things around, and apply the morph transition as the PowerPoint suggests that you should do this. So let's from this here, I create a step-by-step method to illustrate you how morph functions work. So here, the rectangle moves perfectly to the second location and the step 2 as I call it, and to the step 3 the rectangle moves perfectly, but as you will notice that the text is actually disappearing and reappearing in the next position, not moves flow perfectly onto the screen like the rectangle does. So how does this happen? So let's move forward and I will explain it along the way. So the rectangle moves perfectly, but that does disappear and appear again. But in the 5 step, the both rectangle and the text box disappear and the cycle and the text box appear. So what happened? So I will explain to you with the text box first, and the text box is actually why disappearing and appearing is that the text box isn't applying more functions as a shape does, because when we apply the morph to the slide is that the text box isn't applying and it needs same identity as in all these slices to have a same effect. The PowerPoint can recognize keep track of what text box is doing in all these slices. So we need a name. We need a name to identify. So we need to put double exclamation mark in front of the name. This is, and you need to memorize it. You need to put double exclamation mark in front of the name and apply it to all the text boxes to have the same effect. So here I will change the name this here, and also here and here also. So the name is become text box 2, so here the text box 3. So yes, and I will show it to you. Now the text box, the text in the text box move perfectly and fluidly on the screen, and not appearing and disappearing like those again. So yes, it has its own identity now and it can move freely, but we need to solve the rectangle and the cycle one next. So to apply this, what we need to do is apply the double exclamation mark in front of the name, and then apply this to have the same effect. So slideshow again, and then the rectangle morph perfectly into the cycle. So the problem is solved, but the main issues re-emerge like this one. From step 3 to step 4, as you will notice, step 3 to step 4 is it worked perfectly fine earlier, but now what happened? Because when we change the name to put the double exclamation mark in front of the name, the PowerPoint application can keep track of the identity of the rectangle again. So it will reappear as a new identity, and it lost track of the identity from here. So if we want to apply the same effects from morph to step 1 to step 5, we have to apply the same name as double exclamation mark rectangle 1 to all these slices. So I hope you understand how basic morph and enhanced morph transition work now. So I wanted to show you about something. So this here is a wall map. So I'm gonna duplicate size and zoom out, and when you zoom in like this, apply the morph function. So when you move to the next slide, as the map will zoom in because you will actually stretch out the map, and only the certain white part of the presentation slides appear as a map. So this is especially useful if you wanted to use certain tricks with the images and the text. Use this method and experiment it yourself. So when you move this out the map and apply more, the map will move away to the outside of the presentation slides. So for the next one is I apply more function to the 3 of these slices, and here is the 2 cycles morph and move place to the bottom of the slice, and then change place these 2 cycles, and then the cycle disappear and appear as a rectangle in the new place, not morphing into the rectangle. So here is that I move the 2 cycles to the bottom of the slide, so these cycles move 5, and in this here these 2 cycles change places. Now I wanted to solve about the cycle into the rectangle one. So put the double exclamation mark in front of the name and apply the same name for the object that you want to do. Apply it, and now the cycle is morphing into the rectangle now, so the problem is solved. So I hope you understand the morph and enhanced morph transition well, and the video is all this, and thank you for watching the video, and see you guys.